Hello developers, back to my YouTube channel PHP Deveope Pankai. So in this video I will teach you a new course which is Symfony. Because do you want me to create videos like this? So please support me to subscribe to my channel and comment if you have any query or like and share if you really like the video. This course is not everything, you need to give time to learn everything about Symfony. You need to put time into Symfony if you want to become great at it. It's a dedication that you have to put into learn something, and that's the advice that I want to give you before we start this journey together. This course will guide you and provide basic knowledge step by step by which you will be able to easily understand the workflow and how Symfony works and how to use it to create application. Many people ask me when I am ready to learn a framework, and I do understand where the question is coming from since there are many obstacles along the way. You need to have some knowledge before you get into this course. So let's go over the things I expect you to know before you start off this course. It is important to have a bit experience in front-end technologies like HTML and CSS and JavaScript. That is not a must, but would be fine if you do have some experience with it. The most important skill that you need to have is obviously PHP and specifically object-oriented programming. We will be using terms like extents, classes, interfaces, objects, scope and accessibility. I will cover them quickly but on a very basic level. Besides that, you do need to have a good understanding of MVC. You don't need to be able to create an MVC structure with your eyes closed, but you do need to know the concepts behind of it. You should know that a controller handles logic, sends data back to the view, and a model interacts with the database, and so on. If someone asks me to describe Symfony in just one sentence, so I will say Symfony is a full-stack PHP framework that uses a set of reusable components. In my opinion, the usage of a framework is very beneficial since it allows you to so many tools that will help you to improve productivity and development becomes a lot faster. Symfony follows the model view controller, that is MVC architectural pattern. It provides a set of reusable components and development methodology that promotes code reusability, maintainability and scalability. Advantage of Symfony. Nowadays, we have a ton of frameworks that makes it easy to create web application since everything is predefined. The second advantage is components. With the usage of any framework, you are using pre-packed collections of third-party components. Think about the configuration file, service container, prescribed directory structure, and so on. Finally, you can reuse pieces of code. If you think about an application that is entirely built in PHP, you need to think about a lot of little things. You need to think about HTTP request, router, configuration, or how to load views or controller. These are all points that you start thinking about when you work on a project on your own. So, faster development. Very easy to create web applications with the use of frameworks. And component, it has pre-packed collection of third-party components. And then we can reuse piece of code as well. So, these are the advantages of Symfony.